Nanjing Deers delivered DD rubber fenders to the Maldives many times. Our DD fenders can be used for various docks and ships. As an island country, Maldives has many small terminals for transport, and DD fenders are very suitable for these terminals. Our product replaces some used tires, which is more effective for the protection of the dock and adds beauty to the dock of some tourist attractions. Our DD rubber fender can be produced in different specifications according to customers' requirements. Besides being installed on the dock, it can also be installed on speedboats. In the Maldives, many people take speedboats for sightseeing. Compared to the traditional fender of speedboats, our DD fender has a longer service life, is more wear-resistant and safe, which effectively extends the life of the ship. Nanjing Deers is committed to produce high-quality products and provide good services to customers. Welcome to consult us.